to Hedgehog Hollow. So in today's Crafting with Arteza, I have a 2-minute-ish tip as always for you, but I wanted to show you a way to save money, which we all love as crafters. So as you can see, I've been decorating for Halloween, and last year I bought these really cute pumpkins at Joann's, but they were crazy expensive. Like a bag of these was like a lot of money. So I was in the Dollar Tree the other night and I bought a ton of these pumpkins, which were really inexpensive, as you can imagine. And I thought I can create these with my Arteza glitter and some deluxe adhesive. So I'm going to show you how to create some really cute full Halloween pumpkins for your home, for your craft room, for decoration in any way you want, with some glitters and some products you probably already have, and if not, are super inexpensive and you can use the whole year round using our crafty wiles. So let's dive in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my deluxe adhesive. You can also use your Nuvo glue pens. They work really well for this technique, and you can add patterns. So I thought on this one we could do like a really cute little like spider web pattern. And of course, it doesn't have to be perfect either. So you can do like this really cute pattern like this. If you're arty, you could do like initials or a monogram, but you can just kind of like, I'm drooping it as though it was like a spider's web. And I thought on this one, we'll do like a black. Or you could do an orangey glitter, a purple glitter. I mean, so many different options. And I got a bag of, I think, like 3 in each colorway for $1. So really inexpensive. I got tons and tons of stuff at the Dollar Tree. I'm going to be doing 4 Dollar Tree wreaths for Halloween. So I'm going to be showing you some amazing home decor ideas for really inexpensive ways, because I've been looking at tons on Pinterest and they're just really expensive. Now you could also do this, but do it with flock. You could do it with non-spooky colors of glitter too. And in the same way, you could customize it. Now Arteza also has some really pretty vinyl, so you could add monograms with their vinyl too and create some really pretty things. So I'm just going to do 3 rows on this one. Just like this. I'm trying to arch it a little bit, just like that. And then all I'm going to do is I'm going to pour some glitter over the top. So let's choose a color. I've grabbed some really pretty colors in here. There's like this chunky glitter, so we could try this here. So if you haven't tried these glitters, they're really great. So here's one of their chunky. This one has like blue and purple colors in. I'm just going to dust off here, and then I'm going to pour it over here. I'm not going to worry about the mess because I can clear that up after. I'm going to pour a little back in the pot. Of course, if you're crafting at home, you might be a little bit more careful, but I'm doing it just over a piece of construction paper so that I catch some of the mess. And then I'm just going to give my pumpkin tap. I'm going to turn it upside down, and then when it's dry I'll take my surface sweep to it and just take off any excess. But doesn't that look like the cutest, like creepiest but fun, almost like a Cinderella pumpkin, like that. And I have a shop vac down here, so I don't mind if I get glitter on the floor, but I know if you're doing it at home you'd be far more careful than I'm being. But then on this one I thought you could do like these really cute little dots. And I was saying, well, how do you get really even dots? So I've got a scrapbook.com finger dauber, and I thought, well, what we'll do is you could just take your glass mat or something like one of these little spreader things, anything that's like a little bit non-stick, and then just ink up your dauber. And then all you have to do is load it up with some glue like this. And then you just have the perfect, I mean, you could do little dabs of glue if you wanted to, but how much easier is that? And if you put a little less glue, or if you have a Q-tip, you could of course get rid of the little dowel. If you lift it up straight, you won't get the little squiggle. And the harder you press it down, the bigger the area is. And then we can put some glitter on top. So we could take our black glitter, and I'm just going to turn it as I go. But these, you know, it's just such a much cheaper way of doing it. And this Arteza glitter, I think you get 54 jars in a pack. This is microfine glitter. So I'm going to tap it this way, and then I'm going to carefully hold it upside down. And then the top tip is to grab your surface sweep, and then you can see you just kind of dust off the excess. I would wait till it's dry. It's a bit harder because of course I don't have time for it to dry in the video, but you can see how I can just get rid of all the excess. And then I've made my own custom, you know, pumpkins. So it saves me so much money, and you can see how much mileage I'm getting out of these glitters. I've made ombre cards, we've made custom papers, saved ourselves a fortune in those custom papers. And you could do two-tone too, so I could go back in and around the top I could go in and I could add, you could dip the whole thing, you could paint it with Mod Podge, you could do glitter over the whole thing and, you know, have something really cool over it. So, you know, you don't have to do that. You could add glow in the dark. There's glow in the dark glitter in this pack too, so you could do something really fun. I'm just putting some green glitter over the top here. So I'm just tapping. I'm going to be very gentle with my surface sweep in here. But you can see I've just added some green in the top there, trying not to rub off any glitter, but now I have little green polka dots on the top. So you don't have to do them all the same color. And just with that little dauber trick, super simple. So there is how to create and decorate for Halloween on a really tight budget, but create custom colors too. So whatever your Halloween theme is, whether you want to do Cinderella, or maybe you want to do polka dots in a custom color, or you want to do ombre the whole way over. We have tons of ideas coming your way for Halloween as well. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, give us a thumbs up as well. And join our community too. Grab your Arteza glitter. I have discount codes for you in the description. Lots and lots of things coming your way. And join us again tomorrow because our Crayola takeover starts. So much coming your way with Crayola as well. We can't wait to share it all with you. Lots and lots of fun as well. And we will be at Crayola next week as well. So you can join us for that over on Instagram. And also tomorrow, our challenge registration will be opening up. So watch your emails for all of those details to sign up for the Hedgehog Holo newsletter so that you are the first to find out how to register for our challenge. I will see you again tomorrow with another tip, trick tutorial, or maybe something a little bit different with Crayola. Can't wait to see you again soon. Happy crafting, everyone. See you soon. Bye.